Hey everyone, how you doing? Mike from 1A Auto, 2015 Chevy Silverado, same as the GMC Sierra. I'm going to show you how to check or fill your washer fluid. Pop the hood on your Chevy Silverado. Hood release is right here in the middle under the steering column. And then as you look at the truck, just go slightly to the left here. There's a little tab sticks up. Just move it to the center of the truck and lift up. The fluid reservoir is right here. Generally, these trucks have a sensor on them, so you know when the fluid's low. Open it up and make sure you got good -20-degree fluid, especially up here in the Northeast. And if these are empty, usually they'll take a whole gallon of fluid. Once you filled it up, just make sure you put the cap on nice and secure. Always good to have a gallon of fluid in your truck, in your vehicle with you.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1AAuto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.